Hi everyone, how's it going? I'm going to give you an update. I learned about investing in the stock market from the gig economy. I joined Robinhood, then I joined Webull, and it's within that category of independent contractors, being an entrepreneur. Many of us dabble in the stock market, and yeah, we might dabble a little bit of money, but we're taking action to become more confident and comfortable investing in the stock market. Now, it's getting to a point where that little bit of money is turning into a significant amount of money. And it's been on my mind, and I finally did it. I finally did it today. I got the information that I needed. I added beneficiaries to my accounts. But then I learned something about Robinhood that it didn't fit what I was looking for. So I made the decision to transfer all my Robinhood stock portfolio to my Fidelity account. And by next week, my entire portfolio will be on the Fidelity platform. Now, I'm not putting down Robinhood. This might be a good fit for you, but the reason why I decided to go the route of transferring my entire Robinhood portfolio to Fidelity is because, hear me out, I'm in Robinhood and I'm underneath the definition of beneficiaries. I went to go look to see what steps I needed to take to add a beneficiary and contingent beneficiaries to my account. And this is what I read. We don't currently allow users to name a beneficiary, and we don't offer automatic transfer on death registration. Right there, they lost me. That don't work for me. Then it says, in the event of a death, we'll work with the executor of the estate. Not everyone has that. To collect proper documentation and dissolve the account appropriately. To me, that sounds like if I don't have an executor of my estate, someone who has full control, takes over everything I own, and that goes with the probate and everything, like they take over everything that I own. I'm not going to get more into that. I'm setting everything up properly. But the point is, if there's no executor of your estate, not everyone has that. That means somebody would really have to hire someone, go to court, fight for the stock portfolio to receive access to it, to receive it all. I don't dig that at all. So I went to Fidelity. And I knew this last week, but I finally did it today. I have someone as the primary beneficiary, and you can add a contingent beneficiary, and you can add many contingent beneficiaries. So it says, with Fidelity, it's the beneficiary's responsibility to notify Fidelity when an account holder passes away. Well, I'm printing out paperwork, or the paperwork that I needed. I'm making 3 copies, 3 folders. One for me, one to leave at my mom's house, and one for the beneficiary person. And I'm letting them know what the rules are. If anything happens to me, you must contact Fidelity, send out the right form, have them sign it and approve it, and then they have complete access. They do what Fidelity tells them to do, because the person that's the beneficiary they can get a copy of my death certificate. They can, whatever. And they will be able to receive all the stock investments that I invested in. I want to know that someone that's a part of my life, and that someone can enjoy the fruits of my investing. And it's peace of mind, because I don't want some greedy stranger taking my stuff and someone that's not a part of my life get greedy and take it. This is very good to tell you if you're a new investor, because I didn't have any beneficiaries on anything. So if you're investing with these stock market apps, make sure that you set up a beneficiary and a contingent beneficiary and have it all set up, a folder. Print out the few things, whatever they said we want to print out, I made 3 copies. I'm going to make 3 folders. I want to know that someone has full control over my accounts without being an executor of my estate and have to, collect paperwork and my job today is to make it as seamless as possible, simple as possible, for the person that I chose to enjoy the fruits of my investing. I want to make it simple for them. I don't want them to struggle to try to get that. Webull 2, you can add a beneficiary and you can add a contingent beneficiary. They make it easier. Not everyone has all the entire world properly on paper to have somebody take over someone's estate. Now I own a home. It's small, but I own it. I have some money in the bank. I'm investing in the stock market. I want to know that someone that's a part of my life, and I want them to reap the rewards from all my hard work. And that's the way it is. And one more thing. What I love about Fidelity, I guess Webull you can, but Fidelity, I already checked it out really deep. They make it very easy that as life changes, if I want to add someone as a contingent, this person's always going to be the beneficiary of these accounts. However, I could give that primary beneficiary 50% and contingent beneficiary give like 25%, 25%. So a few people can enjoy the fruits of my investing. The fruits can enjoy, the fruits of my labor, the fruits of my investing. I want someone to enjoy it. That's a part of my life. Make their lives a little easier. Over the years, I've been very well taken care of, and the older I get, the more I realize that my family did right by me. And I've had many people in my life take away a lot of stuff from me. Very greedy adults, very nasty, cold-hearted, dagger heart, greedy. You get less. And I was just very young and kind of dumb, naive, ignorant to what really goes on in the world. So if I could sit here and help someone better secure their investments so they know their loved ones will receive all their, property, assets, investing, savings accounts, checking accounts, it all comes into play. That you really have to take care of yourself, because these companies, if you're new to investing and you're dabbling and you have like 300 here, 500 there, if you don't have a beneficiary, it's the greedy company that's going to take your money because you didn't set anything up properly, legally. So my job today, and for the next couple of weeks, I'm doing a lot, is to make folders so I could just hand everyone, this is what you got to do. Here's step 1, here's step 2, phone number, step 1, step 2, step 3. Go get them. Go get that stuff. It's peace of mind. I'm here to, this is a part of building an online business. This is a part of investing smarter instead of working harder. Smart investing. And it's all coming together. And I wanted to share that. Okay, the video's getting long. I shared a lot of info. If you're new to investing, check out the link below. I suggest, I'm not putting down Robinhood. It might work for you. I'm choosing not to have, I will still use Robinhood, but I'm starting over with it. I want everything transferred to Fidelity. I happen to really love Fidelity. there's no benefit of telling anyone this besides I use it and I really like it. And join Webull because you get free stocks, and they have a beneficiary area that you don't need someone to be, you know, what are they? Now I'm losing it. An executor of your estates. Not everybody has that. So at least you can have peace of mind that you can leave your money to a loved one. You know, whether a best friend, family member, you know, choice is yours. Okay, guys, thank you. I'll be around. Check out the links below. Webull. Join Webull. You get a free stock. Bye, guys.